Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about this Linux distro platform called Linux Mint and Hatch. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Linux Mint is designed for simplicity and stability, making it a great choice for beginner or anyone who wants a system that works right away. It comes with preloaded with essential software, easy to use, and a real breaks, which are big pros. Talking about the downside, it's user holder package, so you don't always get the latest features. Talking about the Hatch Linux is built for advanced users who want full control and the latest software through the rolling release system. Its strengths and customizations requires the lightweight performance, access to the AUR built for the downside. It's harder to set up and maintain with a steep learning curve. Mint is better for ease of use, stability, while Hatch is for power users who like to customize stuffs. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.